out today. We are back to work. Kainis. Hey vlog, good afternoon. Today is Monday. It's currently 12:32 p.m. Going out today, magla-lunch kami ng boyfriend ko sa Sambocojin. And this is our fit. Top is from Bangkok. Nabili ko sa may Platinum Mall. Meron lang siyang Loewe logo dito. Pants is from H&M. I'm gonna wear these shoes. I got it sa Adidas Factory Outlet sa may SLEX. And guys, buy one take one namin itong nabili. So, tig-isa kami ng boyfriend ko. Parang cute! Supposedly kay mama to, pero wala, nagustuhan ko din siya. So, sa akin na siya. So cute! And to match the pink, this is my bag. Pero hindi ko alam saan to binili ni mama. This is from an online shop lang. This is our fit! Wala pa pala akong suot na relo. As usual, our favorite. Hey guys, aalis na ako kasi andyan na yung boyfriend ko sa baba. So, bye! Good morning everyone! Today is Thursday, May 8 and it's currently, anong oras na to? It's currently 11:43 a.m. and we're going to office today. Actually guys, naka-leave ako ng buong April, so ngayon na lang ulit ako makakapag office vlog. Hindi ko nasabi sa inyo na nag-leave ako ng buong April for personal reasons. But today, we are back to work. Anyway, this is my fit. Cute! This top is from Landmark. First time kong mag-shop ng mga tops doon sa Landmark. And nagulat ako kasi mura lang pala siya. This one is only 289. And for its quality, maganda siya guys. My pants is from Bershka. Medyo mahaba to sa akin. So, mag-heels ako. Anyway, ayun nga, nagulat ako na ang dami palang magagandang tops doon sa Landmark. Kasi hindi ako napapadpad doon. And I'm gonna show you yung mga iba ko pang binili. So, I got 4 things, including this top. Bili rin ako ng ganito. Vest top din siya. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? Tapos ganito siya sa likod. Although this one, maluwag siya sa akin, pero ipapa-alter ko na lang siya. And then, eto, nung nakita ko din to, sobrang nagandahan ako. So, walang isip-isip, kinuha ko talaga agad siya. Hindi ko na siya sinukat. Sobrang ganda ng fitting nito sa akin, guys. This is the color. It's baby pink. And gusto kong bumili ng mga pink tops kasi ipapartner ko dun sa gazelle ko nga na pink. Akala ko hindi ba bagay sa akin yung mga ganito, pero nung sinukat ko, bagay siya sa akin. So, gusto kong bumalik ng Landmark para bumili pa ng iba't ibang kulay. And then lastly, tong white top lang na parang ganun din yung style. Cute! Meron siyang ribbon lang here. So, ayun na naman yung mga binili ko sa Landmark. It's my first work anniversary nung May 6th. So, bumili ako ng work shoes. Yung shoes na ginagamit ko pang work, yung black, isang taon na rin yun sa akin kasi bago ako mag-start ng work, binili ko yun siya. And isang taon na siya, so gamit na gamit ko yun. So, I had to buy another one. This is how it looks like. Cute! I'm so happy. Gamitin na natin siya ngayon. This is our office look for today. Okay, mag-asikaso lang ako dito kasi papakainin ko pa si Bella and then let's go na. Bye!
Stone mo.
Parang
Hindi ka cancel.
Summer ng April.
Ika-cancel na. May. Pero hindi tayo nakapag-save. Yung last year. Pero ngayon, gawin natin yun. Kasi di ba natin na yung awards? So yun, night to class. Kasi yung award. Tapos sinulog ko. Yung time ko. Paano ka namin i-welcome? Pero madali pa naman, di ba nakakalaw ka? Tayo yung picture. Tapos may camping. Tapos yung spaghetti yung sabon.
Video to eh. Oo.
Light you see in the distance. Soon you'll be healed, forgiven, and refreshed, free from all trauma, pain, guilt, and shame. You may even forget your own name.
Good evening, everyone. Today is the next day na. It's currently 8:22 p.m. and nakabase ako because we are going out today. Meron akong dinner with my workmates kasi celebrate namin yung work anniversary namin today. Kakatapos ko lang din mag-asikaso. May tumatawag sa akin. Wait lang. Anyway, this is the fit. I am wearing this black top from H&M. And then, this pants is from H&M. Actually, gamit ko din to nung isang araw and gamit ko ulit siya ngayon kasi hindi ko agad pinapalabahan yung mga pants ko, guys, kapag nagamit ko lang siya ng isang beses kasi nangihinayang ako. Kasi ayoko din siyang malaspag, alam niyo yun. Ko alam ko ano yung shoes ko. Parang gusto ko ulit suotin yung pink ko na Gazelle Indoor kasi sobrang talagang cute nung shoes ko na yun. Pero this time parang gusto ko mag black and white lang. Although bagay din naman na may pop of color. Wait lang. I'll try it. Okay, so pinagpipilian ko tong Samba or Gazelle Indoor. Which one? This is the indoor pink and then this one is the Samba. Parang mas cute to. Okay, let's wear this again. Parang ilang beses ko na ata ito nagamit. Okay, this is the fit. Let's go, everyone.
Masterpieces stay a lifetime. Patience is
Second batch.
it's wonderful.
Hindi, yung grill kasi bago na.
Who you put a year ago. Oh, paint your portrait as you grow. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush. Is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush. Is a rush. Feel the rush. You're a painting free to color. The muses like a follow. All the colors layered. Kaleidoscope. You're a sculpture.
Wednesday, May 14. And it's currently 12:27 p.m. So, it's good afternoon. Bakit nalalamunan ko? Bakit ganun? Wait, water. Anyway, meron akong call ng 1 p.m. So, I need to make a very quick brunch lang. Hey guys, update. Tapos na yung meeting ko kanina. Tapos nag-start na rin kasi yung shift ko ng 2 p.m. It's currently 2:30-ish na. So, nag-start na rin ako mag-work. Wala lang ako ng coffee. Over naman sa halo.
Kung mali makasama ka ako na makasalamat.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, May 16, and it's currently 12:34 p.m. Today, we're going to office, and medyo nagmamadali na ako. Pero hindi pa naman ako late kasi 2 p.m. pa yung shift ko. Kaso kakain kasi ako, magla-lunch pa ako pagdating. So, ayun, medyo nagmamadali na ako. But this is our fit. Nag-vlog lang ako to show my fit for today. This top is from Shein. My long skirt is from Okay Lang. And then I am wearing yung kitten heels from Temu, yung color red. If you've watched my Temu haul, makikita nyo doon yung heels na binili ko. And then, dadalhin ko lang tong cardigan. Malamig kasi sa office, pero sa labas mainit. So, this is our fit for today. Yung bag ko para mag-match yung mga brown with my anik-aniks. This is Hachipupu, and then the rest ay mga souvenirs. Ito from Bangkok, and then yung mga ibang keychain kung saan yan galing, mga bigayan. This is our whole look for today. Okay guys, I'm gonna go na. Pero wait, hubarin ko lang tong cardigan. Kasi mamaya pa ako magka-cardigan, mainit pa. I'll see you guys later. Bye!
pala dito. Thank you for coming into my life.
Ay.
Mag-part naman malayo din siya.
Cause life right now is a movie.